Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing great. I am Vijita Vidya from Saraswati Group of Education. In the previous session, we saw exercise related to the chapter. Now, today we are going to understand types of nouns. But before that, let us revise what is nouns. Yes, as we had already understood nouns, that is naming words in our poem 1. So let us revise what is nouns. Everything around us has a name. Can you find anything which doesn't have name? No, right? So we can say a noun is a naming word or a names of people, places, animals or things is called nouns. Okay? Now in nouns there are two types of nouns. How many types of nouns? Two. That is common noun and proper noun. Now let us understand what is common noun and proper noun. Common noun. We can also say common names. December is a proper noun. Okay. December is a proper noun because I have taken particular month name out of 12 months, right? So December is a proper noun. Day, it can be any day, so it's a common noun. But if I take specific particular day name, that is Sunday, then Sunday is a proper noun. Next, festival. Festival, it can be any festivals, right? But if I take specific name of the festival, okay, like Holi, Diwali, Christmas, so it's a particular name of the festival, right? So it's a proper noun, right? Diwali. Diwali is a proper noun, okay? Next is mountain. Mountain, it can be any mountain, right? But if I take specific name of one particular mountain, that is Mount Everest. Mount Everest is a proper noun because it's a specific name of one particular mountain, right? Now, did you observe anything? Here, there is examples of common nouns. All the common nouns are begin with the small letters, right? But can you see proper nouns? All the examples of proper nouns are begin with the capital letters. Yes? So, we can say all the proper nouns or special names always begin with a capital letter. Okay? Special names given to any person, place, animals, things, monuments, festivals, months of the year, days of the week, all are begin with the capital letter. Name of the school, name of the country, name of the city, all are begin with the capital letters. Okay? Because it's a proper noun, it's a special names. And if proper noun is made up of more than one word, then both the word begin with the capital letter. Let us see example dairy milk. Here dairy and milk. Proper noun is made up of more than one word. Here there are two words are given, dairy, milk. So the word dairy begin with the capital letter D and the word milk begin with the capital letter M. Let us see one more example. Red fort. Red fort is a proper noun and it is made up of more than one word. So both the word begin with the capital letter R and F. Okay, so remember that special names always begin with the capital letters. And if proper noun is made up of more than one word, then all the words begin with the capital letter. Now, let us solve the exercise related to it. Okay kids, I hope you all have understood common names and special names. Now let us solve exercise related to it. Keep your textbook, pencil and eraser with you. You can write along with me or you can copy later on from the worksheet. So let us begin. A special name always begin with a capital letter. For example, as we know that special names, that is proper noun, always begin with the capital letters. Now let us see some examples of common names and special names. First one, boy. Boy is a general name without giving any specific name. And in the other column, special name of a boy is given, that is Ram. Ram is a particular name of a boy. Next, girl. Girl is a general name without giving any specific name. And in the other column, Rini, a special name of a girl, is given. Cat. Cat is a common name. Cat we call in general for all the cat. But if I give specific name to the one particular cat, that is Kitty. And Kitty is a special name. Dog. Dog is a common name that we call in general. Right? But if I have to give specific name to the dog, to the one particular dog, that is Bruno, then Bruno is a special name of a dog. Pencil. There are many types of pencils, but if I want a specific sparkling pencils, then sparkling pencil is a special name of a pencil. Now there are two more columns are given. In that we need to write common names and their special names. Okay, so first that is car. Write down car. Car is a common name. And what we will give special name to the car? If I give particular name to the car, that is Audi, then Audi is a particular name of a car. Right? So Audi is a special name. City. City is a common name. It can be any city. I live in Rajkot. Right? I want to take particular name of the city, that is Rajkot. Then Rajkot is a special name. Okay, now come to the question number C3. Underline the common names and circle the special names. There are 5 sentences are given. Okay, in that we need to find out common names and underline it. And we need to make circle on special names. First sentence, Manu has a raincoat. Here Manu is a particular name of a boy. So Manu is a special name. So circle the word Manu. And raincoat is a common name. So underline the word raincoat. Number 2, there was just one white cloud in the sky. In this sentence, there is no special name is given. Cloud and sky is a common name. So, underline the words cloud and sky. Number 3, it rained on Saturday. Here, Saturday is a particular name of the day is given. Right? So, Saturday is a special name. So, circle the word Saturday. Number 4, Manu sang a rain song. Here, Manu is a particular name of a boy. So, circle the word Manu. And rain song is a common name. Right? It can be any rain song. So, it's a common name. So, underline the word rain song. Number 5, he forgot his raincoat. Here there is no special name is given. And raincoat is a common name. So underline the word raincoat. Now question number C4, that is grammar game that we will do in our live lecture. Question number D, that we will excluding right now. Now come to the page number 21. Question number E. Think of 2 more words that begin with the same sounds as the following words. Say them aloud. There is some words are given and according to that we need to find out 2 more words that begin with the same sound. Okay. First one is bat. Bat. is the word that begin with the sound B. So we need to write two more words that begin with the sound B is bot, balloon. Yes, B-O-A-T, bot, B-A-L-L-O-N, balloon. Bat, bot, balloon. Next is egg. Egg is the word that begin with the sound A. So we need to write two more words that begin with the sound A is elephant and eat. So write down E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant, and E-A-T, eat. Egg, elephant, eat. Next, ink. I-N-K, ink is the word that begin with the sound E. So we need to write two more words that begin with the sound E is India and import. Write down I-N-D-I-A, India, I-M-P-O-R-T, import. India is a special name, is a name of the country. So the word begin with the capital letter. Jug. Jug is the word that begin with the sound J. So we need to write two more words that begin with the sound J is jam and jacket. J-A-M, jam, and J-A-C-K-E-T, jacket. Next is kite. Kite is the word that begin with the sound K. So write down two more words that begin with the sound K is camel and king. Though the word camel is not begin with the letter K, but their beginning sounds are same. So write down camel and king. Last word that is X-ray. We need to write two more words that begin with the sound X is xylophone and Xerox. X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E, xylophone, and X-E-R-O-X, Xerox. Now come to the extend part. Question number F. You already know what capital letters are. Yes, we know that capital letters are called uppercase letters. Yes, and when we use capital letters, capital letter is used at the beginning of the sentence, right? Any of the sentence begin with the capital letter. And as we have understood right now that special names are begin with the capital letters. So in a sentence when there is special names are given that we need to begin with the capital letter. Okay. For example, my pet fish is called Bubbles. So here Bubbles is a particular name of a fish. So though the word bubble comes at last of the sentence, but we need to begin the word bubble with the capital letter B. We also write names of school, names of city, names of country, months of the year, days of the week, that also are special names. So we need to begin with the capital letter. And do you know the way to Young Angel School? Here, Young Angel School is the name of the school. So all the words begin with the capital letters. Now use capital letters to rewrite these sentences. Here we need to correct the sentence and we need to rewrite the sentence. Number 1, her name is Sunita. As the sentence begin with the capital letter, so write down first letter, that is H, in capital. Her name is, and here Sunita is a particular name of a girl. It's a special name, so write down S in capital. And as the sentence end with the full stop, so do full stop at the end of the sentence. Next, Come to the page number 22. Question number 2. We are going to Shimla on Sunday. Here, Shimla and Sunday are special names. So, both the word begin with the capital letters. As the sentence begin with the capital letters, so write down W in capital. We are going to. And here Shimla is a special name of the city, so write down S in capital, and Sunday is the word that begin with the capital letter, that is S. Next, number 3, Gita has a pet monkey. Here Gita, as the sentence begin with the capital letter, and also Gita is a particular name of a girl, so write down first letter of the word Gita in capital. Gita has a pet monkey. Full stop. His name is Jumpy. Here Jumpy is the particular name of the monkey. So write down the word Jumpy with the capital letter J. Number 4. Uncle Manu is a doctor. Here the first letter of the sentence begin with the capital letter, and Manu is a particular name of a person, so write down M in capital letter. Uncle Manu is a doctor. Now question number G and H that we are not going to do right now. Here I hope you all have understood common noun and proper noun. Along with this, you will get worksheet. But this worksheet is very important as we have completed our chapter over here. So, in this worksheet, you will get all types of questions related to the chapter and related to the grammar. Okay? So, it will be very useful for the preparation of exam. If you are going to take printout of this worksheet, then take printout, write answers in it and file it safely. Or you can